Have you ever dreamed of flying without wings? Zipping through the air like a superhero? Get ready for a super cool adventure into zero gravity. On Earth, something invisible pulls us down. It's called gravity. It keeps our feet on the ground and everything from floating away. But what happens when you go far, far away from Earth? Up, up, up into space. Things get really fun. High up in space, especially on the space station, there's almost no gravity pulling you down. It's like magic. This amazing feeling is called zero gravity. Everything floats, floats, floats. It's like having a superpower. Astronauts become like superheroes. They can float, flip, and spin anywhere they want with just a little push. Eating in space is tricky. Your food would float away if you didn't catch it. Better eat fast. That's why astronauts have special food in pouches or sticky trays to keep it from drifting off. Yum! Drinking is fun too. Water doesn't pour, it floats in a wobbly, shimmering ball. Isn't that cool? No beds needed. Astronauts zip into cozy sleeping bags attached to the wall so they don't float away while they sleep. Zero gravity makes everything a game.
Your turn now.
Playing catch is like a super slow-motion dance. So much fun. To move around, astronauts just push off walls or use handrails. A little push sends them flying. Astronauts have to exercise every day to stay strong, or their muscles might get weak from all that floating. Zero gravity is also great for science. Scientists learn amazing things when there's no gravity pulling on experiments. You can try a tiny bit of zero G too. When you jump up, for a tiny second, you're floating. Try it.